Okay, early morning. I didn't get this Starlink mounted on top of the van, so I've got to get up in the morning and put it together so we can upload videos. So I got to take out the antenna. This is the antenna. Set her over on the table. Pointed in kind of the direction where it's no trees. Trees aren't gone. It's pretty good clear sky over here. And then got to get out all the parts. This is the router. This is the power supply. Here's the cable and the power cable to the router and electrical plug-in. And I gotta stick the power in from the power to the router. And then this big long cable, I don't know what it is, 50 feet or something they give you. But this is the cable that goes over to the antenna. And I have to go one here and one on the antenna. So we got it plugged in, the one cable in back, in firmly, in back of the antenna. Antenna pointed in a pretty good direction, clear sky. And then power supply that's plugged into the back of the router and plug into the outside plug-in on the van. So it kind of looks like this. Plug in the outside outlet of the van over to the power supply to the router and onto the antenna. Now time for the app. So the app, turn it on. Starlink is powering on. Network, one device. That must be me. Okay, iPhone. It's my iPhone. And I'm hooked up onto the high-speed hookup here. So time to upload some movies.